This is Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota, with your closing grain and livestock comments for February 16th, 2021. Corn up 13.5, beans up 12 3/4, Chicago wheat up 20 3/4, Minneapolis up 15 1/4, Kansas City up 20 3/4. So in a day in which the markets kind of need to put together a strong performance after a long weekend, they did so. Last week we had flashes of just instability and a little bit of choppy action, but to come in here and put together the strength we did, it was not all easy either. We had a strong overnight, kind of settled back here for the morning session, and then made a charge towards a close led by the corn and soybean markets. Obviously, cold weather in winter wheat country, coupled with just strong demand after this corn yet, has continued to keep optimism around. We'll see how the relationships really factor in, but keep in mind, we're getting into that focus of new crop time frame baseline numbers. Were kind of a joke today. They are used for government purposes, so they do have their purpose, but they weren't even close on the old crops, so it's not even worth reporting them. Outlook for them will be later this week, Thursday, Friday. That one will have some muster to it, but otherwise strong performance, strong closes, and that'll be enticing to see what we can put together here this week. Feeder cattle, one more point here. Corn market price counts, if we can get above the highs, target $6 on the old crop. New crop, we're really looking at that $4.75 to $5 mark as an area of inflection. So we'll just kind of keep an eye out and see what we can put together here. Feeder cattle down 7.5, lives down 1.5, hog market up 97.5. Good performance for the hogs again today. We continue to get closer to those $93 levels for summer months, June and July. Those are stiff resistance areas. They're third price counts. They're important. So be attentive and make sure you're marketing as we get into those. The next price counts get pretty lofty over in the cattle market. Continued cash and strong exports keep that market chugging there too for live cattle. We're testing and breaking out into new highs, but the ability to put together the next $2 to $3 will be dictative on continuation of strong cash and exports. This has been Jim Emter, Van Ahn Co, Alexandria, Minnesota. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss. It is not suitable for all producers. Past performance is not indicative of future results. This is a solicitation. Have a great afternoon.